Hello, good day. My name is Otumba Giwa Ayodiji Oshibogun. I'm a native of Ijebu-Ode, Ogun State, Nigeria. I am of reasonable age, not a youth, but an adult. And I've witnessed the history and tradition of this great country, Nigeria, at least since independence. It's regrettable for me to state at this stage and at this state that the Nigeria of old is fast disappearing. Fast disappearing into different nationhoods. Do not forget that Nigeria is consisting of over 240 tribes. That's almost the largest for any country in the world. But by history, or by mistake of the miscalculation of our colonial masters, the Yoruba nation, the Igbo race, the Ijaw race, the Fulani Caliphate, the Kanuri Empire, were all put together under one nation called Nigeria in 1914. We do not regret that. As a matter of fact, we grew to be the biggest black nation in the world. We grew to be the biggest in economy, population. We were leaders at Olympics. We made a remarkable contribution in the world of science, arts, and all fields of human endeavor, medicine inclusive. But today, days of old are fast disappearing, and days of woes are fast appearing. And this is why I'm calling on you to join us, Yoruba Koya Leadership and Training Foundation, in trying to reshape or redesign the Yoruba nation that we want. Yes, we want a Yoruba nation, but we want a nation that is productive, that is responsible, that is progressive, and that has every inch of development in the minds of its leaders. So therefore, we have to grow new leaders. We have to breed new leaders who are going to be able to steer the ship of this great nation to the safe shores. In this, I call on you, whether you're an artisan, whether you're a doctor, whether you're a professor, whether you're a mechanic, whether you're a driver, whether you're a conductor, to rise up today and face the future, which today seems to be very bleak and destined for doom. With the rise of banditry, with the rise in kidnapping, with the rise in Fulani herdsmen killings, with the rise in Boko Haram incursions into Nigeria, with the rise and continued penetration of the Islamic fundamentalists who, feigning as mercenaries or feigning as intercessors, are beginning to take over the once great nation, Nigeria. I am not a politician, but I am a political animal. And if in the jungle I reside, other animals are about to devour the innocent animals, there's a need for us all to stand up today and begin to plan our future. This is no call to riot. This is no call to aggression. But this is a call for wisdom, for tact, and for careful planning by all discerning minds who listen to this message. And for a change, note that we have run and we are now at the wall. Now is the time for us to pick up the gauntlet and save the Yoruba nation. If you save the Yoruba nation, you can save Nigeria. Thank you. My name is Deji Oshibogun, Otumba Giwa, and I sponsored and endorse this message. God bless.
Afro Space TV, Africa to the world.